Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the video. Today's video is going to be a little Amazon haul. I'm just going to show you all the recent random knickknacks that I've bought. It's constant, like I feel like I'm never not ordering stuff. So yeah, I just got 3 little things literally just there, literally just like 5 minutes ago delivered. So I was like, oh, because I was like trying to think about what I was going to record today, because I wanted to do a sit down video. And yeah, then I was like, obviously an Amazon haul. So I've gathered up a few bits from around the house that I have recently got and I've been using so much, and I'm going to show you them. I've probably left stuff out, to be honest, because it's just constant, like I just constantly buy stuff from Amazon. But yeah, sure, I hope you enjoy. So a while ago I got Connor a Ring doorbell for our house, and it's so good. We have it put up, so this is just the empty box. That's what it looks like. So then we both have an app on our phone where you can see, like, it has a camera, so you can see he's at the door, and if you're not at home you can even like talk to the postman and be like, just leave it there, or you can be like, leave it with my neighbour, whatever you want. And yeah, so you get a notification if there's like movement outside or whatever, and yeah, it's great. We love it so far. We only put it up a couple of weeks ago and it's great, except for the fact that I didn't know that it came without, like noise. Like, it made no noise. We just got notifications on our phone, and Connor was like, that's fine. I was like, that's definitely not fine. Like, because someone, you know how it is, like someone only calls to your door when you're in the shower or whatever, or not there. Like, I'll be at home all day and then I'll go out for a walk for half an hour and I'll get a delivery that I've been waiting for the whole rest of the day. So it just is the way it is. So yeah, we definitely needed this. So this, I think the Ring doorbell, I want to say was like €70. I think I might have got it in the Amazon sale before Christmas though. I feel like it goes up to like 100, could be wrong. Anyway, I'll link everything below, literally everything that I get. And this chime thing was, I think, like 35, so it's not that cheap. I don't know if you had to use if you had to buy the Ring one, or if you could just get any chime thing, but I was trying to like research online and it just wasn't working, so I just bought this one because I would rather just get it right. So then you just have to plug this in somewhere, like it's like a little plug thing, see. So yeah, and it has loads of different rings, and they're actually like really nice ones, like, so they sound really fancy. So yeah, that's how I like justify it. It's actually worth it. So then, on the topic of like homey kind of stuff, I got these bathroom accessories. So these are, we haven't stuck them up yet because we are slackers, but these are basically just like gold toilet bits. Like, that is a towel rack, that's toilet roll, and that's just for like the back of the door for like hanging towels or whatever on, or a dressing gown. So yeah, I'm obsessed. They're really nice. They're not like a tacky kind of gold, they're really nice gold. So I think they were €30, which is pretty good, I feel like. And then I also got this for the other bathroom. So this is a really big, like, it's for in the shower, so then you can just put all your shampoos and stuff in it. And I want to get matching black like toilet roll holder and towel rack and stuff to go with this one in the other bathroom. I keep meaning to order them and then I keep forgetting, but they have nice black ones too on Amazon. I got a different set as well, but they're for downstairs and they're a different sort of vibe. They're kind of like industrial ones. I'll link the other one that I got as well, just in case you're interested. So then I picked up some natural deodorant. I don't know how I'm going to feel about this or how I'm going to get on. This literally just got delivered, so I haven't got to use it yet, but it's no aluminium, effective protection, 100% natural ingredients, and this is a spray on one. Most of them are roll on. Not really like any smell at all, so I don't know how I feel about that. It's just water, potassium, blah blah blah. Oh, okay, there's loads of stuff in it. Organically grown, shake before use, spray and clean, dry underarms. No white marks made in the UK, long-lasting protection, multi-award winning, vegan, cruelty-free, and vegetarian approved. So yeah, oh, it's unscented, but there's loads of other ones. I don't really know where to start. I was watching Julia and Hunter Havens, and they were saying that they've switched to natural deodorant because, well, obviously we've been hearing this for years, but I choose to ignore like everything. But apparently you can get cancer from normal deodorant because it can clog up your lymph nodes. Obviously, like, it's not the end of the world, like it's like probably like a slim chance or whatever. And I don't know if it's completely proven or not, but I thought I might as well give it a try because this was €3. It's not even that much more, and if it does the job, then I would rather do that, because obviously like all the chemicals and stuff that you're inhaling and stuff too, it can't be that good. So yeah, I feel like I want to just make little changes like that because I don't know, I'm getting more health conscious. Like, their dog died of cancer only recently, and that is what like sparks them to be a bit more like thinking, like conscious of the stuff around them, if you get me, and their health and whatever, which is so fair. Like, it makes so much sense. They even got like their water purified and stuff like that, and like we actually genuinely don't know what we're drinking at the time. My water at the moment has like loads of white on top of it. Does anyone know what that is? And I'm very confused by it. I don't like it. It doesn't taste bad, it doesn't make me feel sick, but it just is like off-putting, and I don't know what like minerals are in it. Like, their water was really high in chlorine, and they're getting it like purified everywhere, because even in the shower and stuff, it's apparently like not good for your skin, all the chlorine. Like, obviously not, it would dry out your skin so much, it would dry out your hair. Julia said that she had started to get dandruff and she didn't really have it before, like loads of stuff like that. So yeah, I just thought that this was a good start. And then I also got an air purifier. I think they fully got like their air from their like vents or their like air conditioning like fully like filtered and stuff and purified, but I don't know if I won the lotto or not, but I don't think I did, so I just bought this for €15. It's meant to be an air purifier just for better space, and then you literally just plug it in to a plug and turn it on, and it only obviously does like one room at a time, but no harm. I feel like, what does it say on the box? Not that much. What's new with these Amazon things? Yeah, it doesn't really say that much, but I'll leave a link below. But anyway, it just purifies the air apparently, so I'm gonna plug that in here now. Okay, it's plugged in, and that's it, literally. I'm just popping on because I just realised that I forgot to show you this, so excuse the different outfit and everything. I'm recording a different video and I just was about to use this, and I was like, oh my god, that was meant to go in my Amazon favourites haul. So this is a ring light, and it was, I think, like under €40. It's a small enough one. I broke my other one. It has a phone holder. I just wrap my camera's tripod around this if I'm using it. It goes really high. It goes like the same height as me, I want to say, but it's not too bulky, and it also has like 4 different light settings. It comes with a little Bluetooth button as well, so that you can take pictures with the little button in your hand. Like, you can hide it and take pictures, like self-timer, but it saves so much time because you don't have to keep going and pressing the like self-timer button. So good. So yeah, I literally live for that. So then the last thing that I picked up was this little necklace. At the moment there's a Vivienne Westwood like necklace choker style necklace that is like €100 something, and this one was on Amazon and it's literally identical, so I had to get it because I just know myself and I'll wear it once. Like, it would not be worth me spending the money, nor do I really want to. So this is it. Look at the little bag that it comes with and everything. And yeah, I wonder what it will look like on. So it's actually, I feel like that's a good fit. Like I think it's kind of like that on the row one's kind of like that. It's not, I could be wrong, I can't really remember, but I feel like it's not like that. It's like chilled kind of. I don't know, but anyway, definitely gives the look. I feel like it's nice when it's like layered up with other necklaces. I don't know where I've put my like necklaces and stuff. I need to find them. So anyway, I feel weird. I never wear necklaces. I can't believe that pearls are like back. It's kind of weird, but anyway, yeah, so that brings me to the end of this haul. I feel like I got through that very quickly, so I hope this wasn't too short. I hope you enjoyed some of the stuff that I got. As I say, I'll leave them links below as usual. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.